I love to really say this about CDA. We are a family school. We're a family-oriented school. You don't just come here to learn how to drive the trucks and be a good driver and safe driver. You learn the people. You learn how we interact with the students.
We're honest with them. Yes, we want you to come to school, but we also want this to be a life-changing experience for you. We're sincere, we're honest with them.
We have 5 stars all around the board. If we have any complaints, we stop that right then. We find out what the problem is and we make it better.
I learned that working here at CDA, they are a family company. They're big on family here. Everybody is close. Everybody works hard together as a team. And I love that we're in the team environment.
To me, there's nothing much more rewarding than helping someone else reach their goals.
To get started in a new career.
My main reason for being here is that I can see that I'm actually changing people's lives, that it's making a big difference for them, for the generation possibly to come.
Everyone here on staff is here because they want to be. They love their job, they love the industry. They're here to help educate and put safe drivers on the roads. We have a great team in place. We have a great program in place.
With us, we try our best to make sure you get your CDLs. We have flexibility here. We have different options here. We have grants here. We have finance here. We have sponsors here.
But if you're willing to put in the work, we are too. We won't give up on people.